coupe, you know that bitch, it be coming alive. When I just hop up in that big body, baby, know that you right.
So today we're making some Cajun Alfredo. So we got our avocado oil, we have our mushrooms, we have our lemon, we have our green peppers, we have some adobo chili peppers right here. Well, chipotle peppers, sorry. We have our Italian herbs, cayenne pepper, red onions, some green onions. You can use scallions also for flavoring. We have nutritional yeast, chickpeas for our Alfredo sauce, some veggie broth, some hemp milk. Make sure you get some unflavored, any type of milk. All right, y'all. So we about to get this thing going. So first we're making our Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna have some milk, chickpeas, nutritional yeast, a 1/4 cup of lemon, and some avocado oil. So let's get this thing going. We're gonna put in the blender. So we got I got 2 pots of noodles boiling right now. And so while those boil, we gonna make our sauce. So we just actually reserved some of the aqua fiber from the chickpeas fluid. It's to basically thin out and give it flavor also. So we're gonna keep that on the side. Right, so we got our 1.5 cups of hemp milk in there with the chickpeas. We got our sea salt right here. We're gonna add in our flavor and our onion powder. So now we're gonna add our lemon. So you want at least a 1/4 tablespoon or a 1/4 cup too, if it's flavor. So however much. And now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. It's to give it like the cheesy flavor. So we gonna bullet this motherfucker up real quick. And we got all of our ingredients in there. Let's get this thing popping. Yeah, this is, see the consistency. I'm about to taste it. I bet you it's fine. Right, so we're gonna add our avocado oil. Get it all out. All of it. All right, we're gonna add our mushrooms, our green peppers, our red pepper flakes, red onions, parsley, and green onion into the avocado oil. All right, so we're gonna add in our chipotle peppers to our spice mix. Now we're adding in our pepper and vegetable mix. Make sure everything is in there. Then we gonna add in this good Alfredo sauce we mixed up, y'all. Look how that looks. It's all creamy. Ooh wee. Watch this. This gonna taste real good. Watch. All right, y'all. Look at this. You hear that? Mushrooms, green peppers, chipotle right there. Chipotle, red peppers and adobo sauce. Red onions, lemon, chickpeas for the sauce, lemon for the sauce, veggie broth and hemp milk, and leftover aqua fiber from the chickpeas to thin it up. Let me see what else. Oh, cayenne pepper, parsley, sea salt, avocado oil.